An issue we've dug into, from helmet safety to which schools see the most concussions in student athletes. But a state lawmaker says we need to know more about these dangers, and it's not just about kids playing sports. Bridget Namata explains. Bridget?
Joe, since the brain of a child is still developing, concussions can create serious challenges as he or she gets older, which is why Senator Josh Green wants at least $1 million to go into researching this problem. It's called chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE, a brain injury from repeated concussions. Senator Josh Green, also an ER doctor, says adults as young as 18 are diagnosed.
This is a new phenomenon for our generation in America. Multiple injuries at any level in the developmental stage are dangerous. Also, if a child gets a concussion the first time, they're 4 times as likely to suffer a second concussion, and it's these multiple concussions that cause brain injuries.
Green says there's research into high school athletes, but he wants at least $1.5 million to expand research and resources into child athletes as young as 8 years old.
That's when we see kids get really intensely involved in sports. That's about the age when they start at the soccer level. They're getting more into club sports. Of course, the young footballers, it's just enough to have a couple injuries can cause some CTE, and that's what we want to avoid for all of our children.
Green says the research would be a collaboration between the Department of Education and health experts.
Hawaii's families deserve to know exactly what the risk is. They deserve to know where their child is as far as a profile of risk is.
This father agrees.
Sure, that they should pass the funding on that. They get funding from all kinds of different things they're doing, and they keep taking so much taxes from the people. You know, they at least put some of that money where we know it would be good use, especially for the kids, you know, because they deserve it. You know, that's our future.
Bridget, CTE doesn't only affect athletes, right?
Right. Green says kids who are riding their bikes could even get a concussion. The proposal passed through the Senate and now goes to House lawmakers for consideration. Joe?